everybody and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Laura and I got the lovely Karen with me today.
Hello.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm loving all of these.
I know, these are amazing bundles. So this one is really lovely. This is the Tim Holtz stamping platform. Now this is amazing and the value you get. So you're going to get the platform, you're going to get the actual case to protect it in and keep everything in there.
I'm looking behind me for a platform. I can't see one out anywhere.
You're going to get the spare magnet as well, which are really handy because I think I've gone through about 4 packs of these.
Now, I love 4 magnets. That's my thing. I love 4 magnets on here. So it comes with 2 anyway. You'll see on the box here. And you've got a spare pack here of magnets. To protect your magnets, you can wrap them in washi tape.
To protect them?
Yes, you said you've gone through them. Have you lost them or have you broken them?
No, I've lost them.
Oh,
I was going to say, protect them. What are you protecting them from?
They can crack. They can crack in half because they're it's such a brittle material. It's neodymium.
Right,
so it's such a strong magnet that when they click together...
Oh, it can cause them to sometimes
crack.
Oh.
So you wrap them in a little bit of washi tape, leave a little tail on the washi tape, and then you've got something to pick it up off your platform with as well. Can I have a top tip, Al? But yeah, I just used it myself upstairs. We use the platforms all the time. Like I say, I love my 4 magnets. Pop them on my 4 corners. Nothing's going to move.
Yeah,
nothing.
It makes stamping so much easier with the
platform.
So
much easier, yeah.
So this platform is available now in the bundle. It is $24.99.
And you've got the case and the extra magnets. Oh.
So that's your price in the UK. US is going to be $49.99. So amazing.
No, it's not. US is a different bundle.
Oh, yeah.
We'll show you the US bundle next. Move on then.
So that's only available.
This is only UK.
In the UK.
Yeah.
So that's the UK bundle.
We don't sell the platform in the US. No.
US bundle. We've got the glass mat. You've got your ruler.
Love this. This has got a metal edge this side. And you've got your... tapered edge this side, and you've got your scraper for cleaning your mat.
I told you that's what it was for. Cleaning your mat.
You can use it
to burnish your score lines.
Burnish your score lines. Use it for applying any of the pastes, anything, whatever.
Oh, you couldn't put paste on that?
Yes, you could.
No, it's too nice.
Oh. I thought you were going to give me oh no, I would never use that for paste because of...
Oh no, it just looks too nice. It doesn't have a paste.
Yeah, you could just pop anything. You can use it. It really is a nice multifunctional tool.
And like it's got the rubber.
You've got the rubber grip. You've got the little finger slot there that you pop your finger in and away to go. And clean your mat. Wipe it up.
And the mat.
All done.
And you've got this mat
and the
as
mat.
well. Now, I've got this. This is on my desk at home.
Yeah.
Purely because of the size.
It's amazing.
So I always keep this bit empty because it doesn't matter how big a space I start off in, I end up in the tiniest little bit with everything.
6x6.
Yes, and I'm like, stuff. Yeah. So my mat is my clean space.
Right.
So this is the only space that I have to actually work on. And I just have things like folding in on the edges and stuff. But because of the size, it's lovely. And because of that white bit, when you're using your inks, you can actually see the true colour as well when you're doing for your blending and things.
You can. It is a fabulous, fabulous mat. I love it. These are the tools. We make them, but we use them. We don't...
Yes.
Do you know, here at Tonic, we do actually use all these things. We've got these on our desks. We've got the mats on our desks. We use them every day.
Yeah. So this bundle is only available in the US and it is going to be $49.99, which is an amazing price for that.
Fantastic. Absolutely. We're going to leave the mat on our desk because we like that.
So next we're going to look at our card bundle. So this is your mirror card bundle. Now look at this.
Oh my god, there's so many. Wow.
There are
Wow.
loads in here. You can see you've got a really
Absolutely.
lovely variety of colours in here. Now, I was saying I'm going to get this because I go through Mirror Card like it's nobody's business.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
You've got to have it just as that little layer behind.
Yeah, and
the
it just adds that little touch. I
Yeah.
always got Mirror Card on any card.
Whatever
really.
you're making.
Yeah.
Exactly. I mean, it shows up embossing really well, shows up debossing really well.
Yeah, and just die cutting your wording,
Yeah.
or like if you've got a frame or something like the Verso panels, you know, they look lovely
Beautiful.
with the mirror card. So this mirror card is in the UK. You were going to have it for $15.99, and you're going to get 12 packs. So
Wow.
these are all the colours that we've got here. But have a look on the website, and you'll see exactly what colours you were going to get. Now, in the US, you were going to get 10 packs, and that is going to be $22.99. But again, check on the website, and you'll see exactly which colours
We've just
you're
got
going to get. We've just
a
got
nice assortment here.
yeah, so you can see all the different colours. Look at that one.
You like that one, do you?
Yeah, I do. That one just caught my eye like a little magpie.
They are beautiful though, and I mean, we sell so much of it, don't we? I think this blue on the top. Love that blue. That is stunning. Look at that colour.
It's just your essentials as well, isn't
Look at the
it?
fingerprints. There we go. Let's have that one on top. Yeah, it's just such good value, isn't it? 12 packs. There's 5 sheets in a pack on all of our mirror cards, so mirrors and satins. I'm sure there's probably a mix of both, Al. Do you know? Have you got the list?
Yes.
She's putting him on the spot.
I did say I wouldn't be mean to him today.
But you lied.
No, I would never be mean to Mr. Alex.
No, it's just mirror cards.
Oh, it's mirror?
cards, yeah.
Yeah. It's
I
all
thought so.
they're all under the same umbrella anyway, aren't they? So yeah, so you've got 5 sheets in each pack. 5 12s? 60 sheets.
We did work that out. My mind went blank.
60 sheets of mirror card, yes, so that's really good value.
It is amazing. Like we said, it's your essentials.
It is.
So don't forget to show us what you make with these, tags in your makes, and happy crafting.